The quest for a clean and pristine vehicle interior is made effortless with the best car vacuum cleaner on the market. Offering exceptional suction power and versatility, this remarkable device is designed to tackle every nook and cranny of your car with ease. Its compact and portable nature allows for convenient maneuverability, ensuring a thorough cleaning experience. Equipped with advanced filtration systems, it effectively captures even the tiniest particles, leaving your car free from dust, dirt, and debris. Experience the epitome of cleanliness and efficiency with the unparalleled performance of the best car vacuum cleaner. In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best car vacuum cleaner available on the market. We research web and read lots of real user review before creating the car vacuum cleaner list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the car vacuum cleaner mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5. Baseus 15,000 Pascals Car Vacuum Cleaner. Introducing the Baseus 15,000 Pascals Car Vacuum Cleaner, the ultimate wireless solution for maintaining a spotless car interior. With its powerful suction of 15,000 pascals, this handheld vacuum cleaner effortlessly removes dust, dirt, and debris from every corner of your vehicle. Its compact and lightweight design, weighing just 0.8 kilograms, ensures easy handling and maneuverability. Equipped with a long-lasting battery, it provides up to 50 minutes of continuous cleaning time. The vacuum cleaner features LED lights for enhanced visibility in dimly lit areas. With its fast charging capability and automatic change of suction force, this Baseus vacuum cleaner is a must-have accessory for car owners seeking a convenient and efficient cleaning solution. Number 4. Raugee Portable Vacuum Cleaner. Introducing the Car Vacuum Cleaner 95,000 PA Strong Suction, the ultimate cleaning tool for both your car and home. This 2-in-1 portable vacuum cleaner offers powerful suction capabilities with 2 versions to choose from. The updated Pro version features a new upgraded brushless motor, delivering an impressive vacuum degree of 50,000 PA or 95,000 PA, while the basic version offers a suction power of 15,000 PA. Both versions are equipped with a 120W rated power motor and a lithium battery capacity of 2,000 mAh. The vacuum cleaners come with a USB boost charging line for convenient charging. With a lightweight design and noise level below 52 dB, this vacuum cleaner ensures comfortable and efficient cleaning. The Pro version also features a child lock function for added safety. Choose the Car Vacuum Cleaner 95,000 PA Strong Suction for a thorough cleaning experience in any setting. Number 3. KROAK Portable Car Vacuum Cleaner. Introducing the Wireless Charge 8,000 Pascals Suction Powerful Portable Car Vacuum Cleaner, a versatile and efficient cleaning tool for your car and home. With its strong suction power of 8,000 PA, this handheld vacuum cleaner easily removes dirt, debris, and pet hair from various surfaces. It features 2-gear suction settings, allowing you to choose between 8,000 PA and 10,000 PA for different cleaning tasks. The cordless design ensures hassle-free cleaning, allowing you to reach tight corners and inaccessible areas without the restriction of cords. Equipped with improved HEPA filters, it provides long-lasting suction performance and easy maintenance. The quick charge technology and rechargeable battery offer a runtime of approximately 30 minutes, and the LED light enhances visibility in dark areas. This portable car vacuum cleaner comes with a variety of attachments to meet different cleaning needs. Say goodbye to dirt and enjoy a clean environment with the Wireless Charge 8,000 Pascals Suction Powerful Portable Car Vacuum Cleaner. Number 2. Baseus A3 Lite 12,000 Pascals Vacuum Cleaner. introducing the Baseus A3 Lite 12,000 pascals car vacuum cleaner, the ultimate solution for keeping your car, home, and office clean. With its powerful airflow pump and wireless design, this portable vacuum cleaner offers convenient and efficient cleaning on the go. Weighing just 439 g and measuring 5.4 centimeters in height and width, it is lightweight and compact for easy handling. The vacuum cleaner is versatile, suitable for use in cars, homes, offices, and even for inflating swim rings or boat air pumps. With its 12,000 pascals suction power, it effectively removes dust, dirt, and debris from various surfaces. Additionally, it can be used for vacuum storage, making it a versatile and practical tool. Experience the power and convenience of the Baseus A3 Lite 12,000 pascals car vacuum cleaner for a cleaner and more organized space. Number 1. Baseus 4-in-1 12,000 pascals car vacuum cleaner. Introducing the Baseus 4-in-1 12,000 pascals car vacuum cleaner, the ultimate multifunctional cleaning tool for your household and auto cleaning needs. This wireless vacuum cleaner combines the functions of a car vacuum cleaner, inflator, air pump, and wind blower in one compact device. With a powerful suction of 12,000 pascals, it effortlessly removes dirt, dust, and debris from various surfaces. The vacuum cleaner is equipped with a 100W rated power motor and a battery capacity of 3 by 2000 mAh, providing a strong suction time of approximately 15 minutes and a standard suction time of about 25 minutes. It features automatic changes in suction force for optimized cleaning performance. Additionally, it comes with a range of accessories including suction nozzles and air nozzles for versatile cleaning and inflating tasks. Experience the convenience and versatility of the Baseus 4-in-1 12,000 pascals car vacuum cleaner for all your cleaning needs. In conclusion, when it comes to the best car vacuum cleaner, there is one standout option that combines powerful suction, versatile attachments, and user-friendly features: the insert name of the best car vacuum cleaner. Its superior performance, compact design, and efficient cleaning capabilities make it an ideal choice for maintaining a clean and tidy car interior. With this vacuum cleaner, car owners can enjoy a hassle-free cleaning experience and achieve remarkable results every time.